Alright, Jason here from newtonswave.com, and in this short video I want to show you the difference between fundamentals and technical analysis, right? Because many people are hung up on the fundamentals. They think that is the answer and the key to price movement. Well, I want to show you something that may alter your thinking and change the way that you trade forever. Have a look at this, right? So what is fundamentals? Well, fundamentals basically is the story or the narrative behind the coin in this instance. Now, the three arrows that you see there, right, are basically parabolic rises over the course, and we're looking at SHIB for this example, and this is over the course of a month and a half. So basically the fundamentals would tell you this, right? They would tell you that Elon Musk, right, he's bought loads and loads of crypto and it's going to go explode, right? That would be the first arrow here, right? Then the second arrow here would be, all right, all his mates are buying it too, and it's going to pop again, right? That would be the second arrow. And the third one would be, everyone's buying SHIB now, and it's going to pop. Wow, this is great. So that is the story. That is the fundamentals. Full stop. Regardless of what they are, whether it's pump, whether it's hype, whether it's in the Financial Times, whether they, the Bank of America or the Bank of England have sanctioned this and made this legal, right? That is fundamentals. Okay, so let me now show you what technical analysis is, right? So technical analysis is the science behind the data. So in this instance, we're looking at the candlestick price pattern here. Okay, so that is the data. But imagine that's a body on the floor and you were a detective. You'd come in, you'd look at the body and you'd say, right, okay, what's going on here? Now, the fundamentals would say, oh, this guy fell down the stairs and stabbed himself 3 times as he did so. He just fell on his knife as he fell down the stairs, right? The technical analysis, right, is the detectives, right? It's like NCIS, right? They come on there, they look at the crime scene and they investigate the data. And in this instance, right, they find that the body has got bullet holes in the head, in the chest and whatever. So the fundamental said he was stabbed, right? The technical analysis, the data tells you a completely different story. And so this is what I want to show you. Trading is a science, right? It's not about fundamentals. People think that fundamentals makes the price go up and the price go down. It's a load of rubbish. And if you're trading like that, well, best of luck to you. But have a look at this, right? Now, technical science, right? In this instance, right? Price movement actually follows a sine wave pattern. So let me open this up for you, right? So this particular pattern, sine wave, is called Newton's wave. The candlestick is just a shadow. Sine waves predict and precede and dictate price movement, right? So let me bring the sine wave up. So here's the sine wave. Now let me bring the arrows up for you, right? So let me bring these arrows into this and just remove that from there. Now if you look at the arrows here, right, do you really and utterly think that it's a coincidence that on each of these lines here, on each of the peaks of the sine waves, right, that the price just happened to rise at that particular moment, in that particular month, on that particular day? So this is the technical analysis. This is the science. Trading is a science. It's not about pump and dump, and this is just what I wanted to open your eyes to. Trading is a science. You don't trade the candlestick pattern, you trade the sine wave. The sine wave moves and the price, when the sine wave comes down, the price goes down. When the sine wave goes up, the price goes up. If you're not trading sine waves, you're trading blind. Sine waves are the threads or the fabric of the universe. Sound waves, right? Gamma rays, light waves, they all travel. Electricity, it all travels through sine waves. If you're not using sine waves in your trading and you're just listening to fundamentals, or you think that they somehow have an impact of price going up and down, you're wrong. And it just makes trading hard. It makes trading unpredictable, and you're just trading blind. So listen, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon.